Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete Telegram group chat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! If you're done with your Telegram channel or group, you can delete it for good. This means that the channel or group will no longer be accessible and all the chat and messages will be gone forever. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create the group chat on your Telegram, but now what if you want to delete it? It's so simple. So first of all, we have to open our Telegram and go to the group section, and you can choose on the group that you want to delete. This one, I want to delete this group. How to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, you can just tap and hold on the group and tap on the trash icon on there, or you can just open the group, tap on the upper right corner the three dots over here. There is an option delete and leave group. You can just tap on that. You can choose you want to delete this group only for you, or you want to delete this group for all members so no one can access this Telegram group again. I would just choose on delete the group for all member. Now you can just tap on delete group. So now you have deleted group from your Telegram. It's so simple, right? So that is how to delete Telegram group on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.